Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this stylized vortex effect in UE5 Niagara. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share, and comment. So first I create a label. Let's open this and I will add a fog, gray color, maybe this much. Okay. And then I need a material. So M and vortex to vortex. Okay. And here I need a cylinder to create a ring. And let me check if I have static mesh. Let me search the ring. I have these like this. So this is a cylindrical ring. And also let me check the UV.